Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. So let's get to work, my friends. It's time to dust off the old Lenovo and show it some love. Now let's work on creating of the virtual machines, and we're gonna start with the new one. We're gonna hit new VM. If you have no idea what I'm doing, then you need to watch my previous video. The template will be, let's take a look here. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna put Debian Bullseye even though it's not. Next, I'm gonna call it pfSense. I'm gonna put any description. Now I'm gonna choose the ISO image, right here, pfSense, Community Edition 2.6.0. Gonna hit next. So it's gonna tell us that it's gonna put the virtual machine on this home server. My number of CPUs, I'm gonna set it up to. I'm not gonna touch anything here, and I'm gonna give it 4 gigs of mem. So it's a 4096. Hit next. Hit next. No GPU. And over here, it's gonna ask how much of the storage space we wanna give it to this machine. I'm gonna give it 32 gigs. Should be more than enough. I'm gonna skip this step for now. Gonna hit. I'm gonna remove. I don't wanna start it just now, and I'm gonna hit create the virtual machine. So here's my pfSense. So let's take a look on the network interfaces. So all of them will be available to you pfSense. Now we're gonna start the virtual machine. And I'm gonna hit here console. Alright, so the pfSense is booting up. Woohoo! Alright, we keep going. So now we're gonna install the pfSense. Hit install. Key map, continue to default key map. I'm just gonna go with the BIOS. Oh, now finished. Before exiting the installer, would you like to open the shell in the new system to make any final minor modifications? No! Yes, reboot, finally. Ta-da! And the virtual machine is getting rebooted. Right, so now it's booting back. pfSense, loading kernel. So it's asking me which interface should we use for the WAN, right? So since no longer need this little lab setup, I'm gonna use this for the WAN interface and plug it in directly. And over here, I'm gonna just type it in manually, 0. Enter the LAN interface, xn1. Enter optional WAN interface for whatever, xn2, xn3. Yes, I want to proceed. Alright, so pfSense is going in there. Awesome. So, as you can see, this is our ISP connection, 10.10.1.123. And this is internal connection for the LAN. So that's how we're going to get connected here too. So, very important. We definitely want to have this virtual machine to get automatically boot up. So in this case, we'll go into properties, in boot options, automatic server boot. Okay. So next time, if the hypervisor gonna get restarted, this machine will start automatically as well. So now we have a couple interfaces here, right? And we're gonna connect to pfSense directly. 92.168.1.1. It's asking us about SSL certificate, and we're here. So to log in, default username is admin. Password is pfSense, all lowercase. And we are in pfSense is installed. Take a look here. Right. So now we have our kind of ISP and our internal connection. Don't forget to change your password and username here. Even better to change admin username for something else for more security. Alright, so pfSense is fully installed. Now we can continue with other virtual machines.